Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Alrighty, it is time for another unboxing. You know, at the beginning and the middle of the month we always have these unboxings, so you know it is what it is. You just gotta know that it's coming. So yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Boxyluxe. I've only watched one unboxing so far, so I'm not, you know, sure exactly what's in here. I know the one that I saw was a good one, so yeah. Now I lost my train of thought completely. All right, moving on. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just get right into it. Looks like this. Okay, and Boxycharm Getaway. Wait, I don't know if I said when I started this that this was the June Boxyluxe, or did I say Boxycharm? I'm not sure, but anyway, this is the Boxyluxe. The upgrade to the Boxycharm that comes every 3 months. Okay, now if you don't know what Boxyluxe is, it's just an upgrade to the Boxycharm that comes 4 times a year: March, June, September, and December. And it is an additional $28.99 added on to the $21 that you already pay that month. So it would be the $21 that you normally pay every month for the month if you get the monthly subscription. The $21 plus $28.99 is what it is for those 4 months. So basically, you might as well say it's a $50 box every 4 months, just like FabFitFun, which I also get. This will be my first official box, the summer box, and I still didn't get that yet, and I didn't even get a track number, so I don't know what's going on, but whatever. Anywho, so this month it is Boxycharm Getaway, like I said. And this side always has what's in there and the prices. So first thing on the outside here is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Yeah. Styling and finishing spray. Is this supposed to have a top to it? Because mine doesn't. Oh, here it is. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so I'm guessing this is dry. Is this dry shampoo? See, I use dry shampoo when I have braids, because that's how I actually take care of my scalp when I have my braids and cornrows and things, because I don't let my hair go, you know, without any type of maintenance, even with braids. Like I just took out braids that I had in for 2.5 weeks, well, cornrows that I had for 2.5 weeks, and I wash my scalp when I have braids as well. I just take some conditioner, water, shake it in shaker butter, and spray my scalp, and you know, massage it, and then I put some oil on my scalp. Bam! That's why I've never had a problem with edges or anything. I've always taken care of my hair, y'all, always. But anywho, but yeah, dry shampoo I use when I have braids, also to take care of my scalp when I don't use the washing stuff, just to spruce it up and give it some smell, you know what I'm saying, not so dead. But yeah, but this right here I probably will not be using, because I don't have braids and I don't plan on getting any more anytime soon. So this will probably go in a giveaway, probably my 1000th. I said 1000th. Yeah, that's it. But no, I'm not talking about 1000th. I'm talking about when I get to 1,000 subscribers. Anywho, yeah, that'll probably go in a giveaway there. So, yeah. Next thing on the outside of the little foam thing here is the No Problem Prime Essence by Touch and Soul. And I'm not sure. Is this the well, I'm gonna guess it's like a primer, right? Just like the other one that we got last time. Prime Essence. Yeah, Touch and Soul, No Problem Prime Essence. So yeah, like a primer, like I said. Oh shoot, I don't want to waste it. So yeah, I'm guessing that's a primer. I mean, that's what they do, right? At least, I mean, at the last step of skincare, Oh, this is skincare. See, you don't know what the hell I'm talking about. At the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it's fully absorbed. This is freaking skincare. Look at me, all messed up. Well, y'all know I love skincare, so I'm gonna be happy to use that. Oh, I'm sorry, forgot the price. Where are we at? The skincare from the No Pore Blum Prime Essence is $23, and the Living Proof Full Volume is $29. And also this is the Tray Stick. What is this? Oh, this is the mascara that has the little eye curler on there. How cute and creative. Isn't that cute? Is that upside down? Oh, that's cute. And it has a little eyelash curler on there. That is so cute. I'm not going to open it because, like I said, I don't want to open up any new mascaras right now because I still have a ton to use first. Huh. But anyway, that's nice too. And that is, let's see, Chic is $25. Anything else on the outside? Yep, we have Honeymoon Glow Night Serum. All right, by Pharmacy. This is the box. And this is what it looks like. All right. I love night serums. That was too much to be trying out. I don't really smell anything, so I don't think it has a smell. That was a little too much. Just wipe that in there. All right, but yeah. Oh, sort of honeymoonish. I said honeymoonish. I meant to say honey. Sort of, yeah, I can smell the honey now that I rubbed it in. Okay, so that's going to be nice to use. Pharmacy. All right, and that night serum is $58 already. Look, there's that product. That's more than a box right there. Oh yeah. All right, and so then you open up this little foam, and this is where you find that PYD mini blow dryer, which everyone knew was going to be in the Boxyluxe. See, the Boxyluxe in December gave a mini flat iron. Now we got a mini blow dryer, and this blow dryer I'm excited to have because with me having natural hair, it comes with a diffusing attachment, and I use diffusers a lot to give my hair, you know, volume and stuff, lift it up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm anxious to see how much power this has. I should try it for you now. I would try it for you right now on camera, but this purple hair paint is not completely dry yet, so I don't want to get the purple on here yet because, like I said, I just washed my hair last night and it's still a little dry. I did a little diffusing before the video, but that's why I don't have a lot of lift back here yet, because it's still a little wet. That's why it's hanging a little bit. But anyway, if it was dry, I would try the dryer out for you. But, you know, but yeah, I got this color. This is cute. I like the peach little color. It's real cute. I like it. I heard it had a, you know, it's very powerful. So hopefully it will be. And when we go on vacation this month, not this month, but this summer, hopefully I'll be able to take this and be happy. I mean, because we are planning on going somewhere. Y'all know how I told y'all my husband don't like to take off, and so we usually do day trips, but this summer I believe we may be going somewhere. I'm just not sure yet, but we've been talking about it, so we'll see. But when we do, I'll definitely take this because I'm definitely going to be wearing a wash and go, because it's the easiest to take care of. Alrighty, and this PYT blow dryer is $85 freaking dollars for a mini blow dryer. Ain't that some stuff? But it's very, oh, I didn't show you the packaging. And the packaging it comes in is this cute little duster type bag, you know. Very cute. Very cute. That was $85. Here's the paperwork, which I don't need because I know how to use a blow dryer. Then, wait, where does this go to? Something doesn't have a top. It couldn't have been this. This was in the box. Yeah. Something doesn't have a top to it. Because this was just laying openly in my box. And, oh, it's this. Okay. This is the, what is this? The Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew, which we already received. What did we get this in? Didn't we get one of these already? This is the, like I said, it's the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist Radiant Dew. Oh, backwards, girl. Jeez. But yeah, it's by Skin & Company. It's the same one that we already received before. Yeah, same one. And I got this one on my desk already because I use it. I refresh my face with it and I like it. I do like it. So yeah, I guess I got a backup for that because I like it. So yeah, and that we got that in something. I don't know what subscription box I got it in, but you know, whatever. It's always good to have more than one. So that is oh, that is $35. This is $35. Yep. This is good. I like it. I mean, it's not, you know, that much better than my e.l.f. one, which is a lot cheaper. But, you know, since I have a backup, I'm very happy about that. So, you know, $35. I don't know if I would pay $35 for renewing mist. No, I don't believe that I would. But I'm glad. Like I said, I do like it. And I'm glad that I have another one because I don't have to buy it now. But anyway, the next thing I see is this Dominique Cosmetics. I guess it's a lipstick or lip gloss or liquid lip or something. Lemonade, baby. Oh, yeah, lemonade. Pretty, pretty, pretty packaging. This is cute. This is really cute. I have on nude right now. I don't want to put this on, but I would keep it. I'm not a real lip gloss person, but sometimes when I wear my matte stuff, sometimes it do, you know, it is a little too matte. But yeah, so it's just a little nice sheen to it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this and be able to use it one day. Let me. Does it smell like lemonade? Oh, it smells. No, I won't say. I don't know if it smells like lemonade though. It has some kind of smell that I smelled before, but I don't know. It's not lemonade though. It's like a candy type smell. Some candy, I know that. It's some kind of candy. It smells good, you know, but oh, strawberry lemonade, yeah. And this is $17. $17 for that. And this is, oh, I thought this was the last, but it looks like there's something else. But this comes out first. This is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3. Is this the one that I wanted? I wanted the one with the blush in it, not just the highlight. It's the cheek palette. Glow Level Extreme. This is what the, you know, the regular purple Tarte stuff. Oh, this packaging is very sleek. It's nice. This feels nice. It's pretty. It's very nice. It's like their, what's that palette that I love so much? I don't have it up here. It might be in my drawer. But anyway, yeah. So this is what it looks like in the front. And let's open her up and see what I have. Yes, I got the one with the blush. Oh, yes. I was so happy and wanting to have this one and not the one with just the highlight. And these are the colors. Yes, because y'all know I'm a sucker for blush. Love blush. So, yeah. Very nice. I really like this packaging too, y'all. Very, very nice. Let's try these two blushes out. Like this. Very similar. Very similar. It's a little raggedy swatch in there, but you know, it is what it is, people. So yeah, I'm really excited to have this. This is very nice. I like it. All right, and Tarte goes for $45. And there is one more thing in this box that I do see. And that is this Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. Hey, always can use cleansers. Wearing makeup, you can use cleansers always. Even when you don't wear makeup, you cleanse your face, you know what I'm saying? So, all right. And this is Dr. Brandt, $35. Oh, I was gonna smell, but it has a foil piece on there. So yeah. All right, so that is the June 2019 Boxyluxe, and I forgot to mention I do have variation 6B, and I don't have the, oh shoot, I had the thing written somewhere. Dang it, I don't have my phone. But anyway, I was going to tell you the total retail value of the box, and it doesn't say it here, so yeah. But anyway, thank you so much for watching the video today. I know there's a lot of, unboxings on the same thing from a lot of different people. And, sometimes I know it can get repetitive, but, everybody likes to show off their box and stuff like that. And, so let's just watch everyone and give everybody some support, because we all need it. We're all new, starting out in this YouTube. So, let's give each other love and support. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Anywho, if you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, like, and comment. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate you all. Bye.